Welcome to A-1 Waste LLC, your premier provider for dumpster rental in Dyersburg, Tennessee. Whether tackling a home renovation, decluttering your garage, or managing debris from a significant construction project, A-1 Waste LLC is here to make your life easier. Our team of experts is knowledgeable, friendly, and approachable. We are here to help you choose the perfect dumpster size for your needs and ensure you feel confident in your decision. We offer a range of dumpster sizes tailored to fit any project, big or small, ensuring you have the suitable capacity for your waste disposal needs. Our dumpsters are perfect for all types of waste. We also ensure that your waste is handled responsibly and disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner. Our experienced drivers will deliver and position the dumpster safely and efficiently, ensuring minimal disruption to your property. At A-1 Waste LLC, we take pride in maintaining the highest cleanliness and quality standards. Our dumpsters are regularly cleaned and inspected to ensure they meet your expectations. Ready to get started? Call us now at 731-424-7666 or visit us online at www.a1waste.com. Dumpster Rental Dyersburg TN to learn more about our services and book your dumpster today. A-1 Waste LLC, your trusted partner for reliable and efficient dumpster rental in Dyersburg, Tennessee.